Well, at last the roof is virtually finished, including the back. And I estimate that I've been up and down those ladders 500 times in order to get this far. And I've put those little squiggly things on the end of the ridge pieces. And now I can start on the walls there, and the handrail down here and over here, and then it will start to look more like a building than a building site. And here I have to tell you something quite funny. When I was 22, I built my own house, a bungalow. I borrowed a lorry and a dropskid shovel from the company I worked for, cleared the site, bricks arrived, and I started building. And there's the finished article coming up. There it is. And I've got the foundations in, and the roof and the floor, and my then to be Swedish wife said, "Do you put the roof on next?" And I said, "No, you have to build the walls first." Well, the way I'm doing it here, she was actually right. You may see that I've painted the fascia boards and the barge boards, well, they're not barge boards, fascia boards there, and the ridge board black. And I found a very, very good product. It's made by a company called Protec, and it's shed and fence wood treatment, and it's black, and it's a very, very easy paint to use. Good wet edge, and goes on nice. Videoing this time because of the rain showers and everything else, and I've had to dash in and out, and having to take the camera in every time as well. No, it was too much, so you've just got to go see what I've actually done rather than me doing it. So anyway, it's coming on.